Hi, second graders. We're heading into the end of the year. So right now we're just going to have a little fun with our writing. And today I thought we would come up with something about pretending we were principal for the day. What kind of awesome things we would do to change our school. So we know that Mrs. Russo has a really, really hard job being a principal. And we're wondering what we could do to make our day a little bit more fun or a change that you think could be positive to help our school. So let's see what we could come up with, okay? I went online and I looked at some kids that were about your age in elementary school, and they had their own ideas of what they would do if they were principal of a day. So this is a girl named Cora, and she said, if I was principal of the school, I would have monthly awards for the student that worked the hardest. I would also have pizza Fridays. I would give the class that read the most books ice cream. Wow, I really like these ideas because look, she's rewarding kids that do hard work. So she's saying that if you work extra, extra hard, you'll get a prize. You'll have pizza Fridays, which actually we have already, so we don't even need that one. And she's saying that if you read the most books, you get ice cream. So I really like those ideas. We get rewards every time we do something amazing and work hard. Okay, then this other student said that if they were principal of the school, I would have recess for an hour and I would get cool new equipment like a trampoline. And I would have awesome parties every day with candy and cake. So she's thinking of making school a little bit more fun. She wants to have parties every single day. So maybe after you work all day and you do math, reading, and writing, at the end of the day, you can have a party. She's thinking maybe she'll have a trampoline when it's time for recess. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. And recess for an hour, that's a long time. Usually we probably have recess for 20 minutes or a half hour, if that. So that might not be such a bad idea. Okay, so let's come up with some ideas together. So I'm trying to think of what, if I were a kid, what I would like as an idea to change certain things as a principal. I personally love popcorn, so I'm thinking I want popcorn Fridays. I feel like that would be a fun idea. I'm also thinking homework is kind of annoying for me. So as a kid, I don't think I want to have homework. I think I'm going to say no homework ever. Nope, no way. I'm the principal. I said no homework ever. I'm also thinking, I liked what that other girl said about getting prizes for working hard. So I think I'm going to say that too. I'm going to say, what kind of a prize? I'm going to say Pokemon cards. Pokemon cards if you read the most books in a month. That's a fun idea. How about, you know what? Since we're talking about no homework ever, I'm going to be bold. I'm going to say no school on Fridays. We're going to have a 4-day school week. That would be cool, right? What else can I say? I'm thinking, some of you guys are sleepyheads and some of you are late to school. So maybe to change that, let's have school begin at 10 a.m. Yep, so now I could sleep longer. I could do whatever I want, have a nice breakfast, and I could come to school all relaxed and not rushed. Any other ideas? I'm trying to think. You know what? I think I want to go outside every day for recess. I think that would be totally fun. Okay, go outside every day for recess. Okay, so let me read my list. Let me see if I like this. So I'm going to say Popcorn Fridays, no homework ever. Get Pokemon cards, or how about any prize? You can add any prize here if you read the most books in a month. I like that reward. No school on Fridays, and school begins at 10 a.m. Go outside every single day for recess. I actually really like that. So I am going to copy and paste because I am going to be using this later on another page. So here I am. Let me write what I was saying. So let me put my what we wrote here. I'm going to make it small so that I have something to look at so I can remind myself. So I'm going to say, if I were principal of the school, I would. So this is my sentence starter. Let me look at my list that we made together. I think I really like the no school on Fridays. So I'm going to say, if I were principal of the school, I would not let kids go to school on Fridays. We would have a 4-day school week. I also would, let me see, let me look at my list. I think I want, I can't do Popcorn Fridays. I just got rid of Fridays. So I'm going to say I would get Pokemon cards or any prize if you read the most books in a month. I would also let the students get a prize of their choice if they read the most books in their class that month. Okay, I like that. And let me get a concluding sentence. I would say, I would love to make these changes as the new principal, PS 160. Okay, let me move my list so I can see everything. Okay, so this is what I wrote. Ready? Tell me if you guys like this. If I were principal of the school, I would not let kids go to school on Fridays. We would have a 4-day school week. I also would let the students get a prize of their choice if they read the most books in their class that month. I would love to make these changes as the new principal of PS 160. So what do you guys think? Did you guys like that? I mean, maybe you guys could come up with something even better than that. I don't know. So it's your turn, boys and girls. You're going to use the sentence starter. If I were principal of the school, I would. And here's your list in case you need this to help you. You can choose one of these or you can write your own. I bet you guys have some amazing ideas on how you could change PS 160 as the new principal. Okay, boys and girls, have a good time, and I can't wait to see what you do. Again, this is just like a paragraph, 3 sentences, 5 sentences. It's not going to be very long. Just tell me the changes that you would make, okay? Good luck, boys and girls.